Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, the bill paving the way for the government to use $11.4 billion to prop up the national budget was passed in the Senate on Friday after a long debate.
Government lawmakers used the sitting to explain the NHT is in a strong financial position and is able to withstand the drawdowns while providing for contributors.
Details in this report.
The debate on the bill lasted just over 5 hours, seemingly 1 hour to explain each of the 5 years the funds will be needed to prop up the national budget. The government says the drawdown of the funds was the best decision in a bad situation fueled by Hurricane Melissa.
Discontinuation of this measure at this time would result in a significant fall-off in government revenues at a time when these funds are needed even more. The alternative would be to cut programs delivering wider benefits or to levy new taxes on the backs of the Jamaican people.
Jamaica is also contending with the current Middle East conflict, which has created a challenging and unpredictable global economic environment and creates great uncertainty as to the duration of the slowdown in the global and local economy. The knock-on effects could likely see a slowdown in economic activities and tax revenues. Jamaica faces a very risky global environment and without doubt will impact our local economy, and therefore it would not be prudent to discontinue budgetary support from the NHT during this cycle.
But stakeholders are not happy about the decision nor the explanations. They feel that $11.4 billion could have gone to contributors who are struggling to buy homes in an increasingly brutal housing market.
You could get a 2-bedroom house for about $13 or $14 million. Now, if you don't have $30 and $40 million, you cannot get a 2-bedroom house. And to make it worse, and this is the fundamental point, because the government's actions are contributing to the escalation of the price of houses.
But government lawmakers defended the NHT, insisting the trust is achieving its mandate to provide affordable homes to contributors, and taking this sum will not result in fewer NHT contributors getting help.
The NHT is sitting on reserves of $150 billion in 2013 and $185 billion at the end of 25-26, right? So it is clear, Mr. President, from what I've outlined, that the NHT's financial position is sound and the surpluses generated by the NHT is significant, even with the 11.4 withdrawal per year. These withdrawals have not affected the capacity of the NHT to deliver housing solutions. And year on year, it continues to increase its capital expenditure, housing expenditures, disbursement of mortgages to low-income earners and others.
A reassurance, too, that the funds being used to prop up the budget won't impact on persons' NHT returns, which is the sums given back to contributors annually.
The $11.4 billion drawdown is taken entirely from the employer's non-refundable payroll contribution. The employee's portion is unaffected and contributors continue to receive their refunds.
The national budget presented by the finance minister is nearly 1.3 trillion Jamaican dollars. Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.